This is Mike, NoStressMike.com, and I'm reporting from down here in Mexico. Let's see, it's January 25th, I think, something like that, 2019, and it's really nice. The way I've been able to figure out, I think December and January are the coldest months. The reason I say that is I went to Acapulco, and then and because it was got a little chilly here, so I thought, well, let me go where it's Acapulco. Acapulco was really warm, and when I came back, I've noticed it's not as cold as it was when I left. Now, I don't know if it's just because I got so much heat when I was in Acapulco or what, but like I say it is. It's not as cold as it was when I left. But one thing that kind of reminds me is I don't know when rainy season is around here. I don't know, but it's awful sunny. It's been really sunny the whole time I've been here. I've been here first part of December, so it's been nice and sunny the whole time down here. But it does remind me. Now, see. We've got where I live in Oklahoma. We got solar panels, and we got, I think they call them solar generators. We're able to with a large solar panel, we can produce enough electric to run like a drill or something like that, and it's hooked up to batteries and stuff. It's portable units. And I was just thinking, now since I've been down here, and I've been thinking, if I may be doing something a little different when I go back to Oklahoma. I say we're pretty much set up the way we have things now, but I'm thinking about setting up another type of place, and I'm going to try to, because I had, at one time my bus, I had it solar powered, and I took everything off the bus because nobody wanted to buy a solar powered bus, so I kept all the solar stuff. Now I'm thinking I might set up something else using solar. And if I remember right, when we set the system up in the first place, using one solar panel just to do small things, if I remember right, it was like $250 to have that completely set up. And this is what I'm thinking. I may set up something else that would be a little bit bigger. More like my school bus, where we could run a refrigerator and stuff like that. I'm not sure. I'm thinking now on if we have enough sun that we'll be able to do that. But this is something that I thought I better share with you. Is you might want to start thinking of some solar powered stuff. If electric is messed up in the United States, you may want to set up some type of a solar system, because any kind of electric is going to be good when you don't have any electric. And so, and this applies not only to people out in the country, like I'm in the country, but I mean, if you're in the city also, you might want to start thinking how you can set up a solar system, because you can do it in a portable unit type thing. In other words, if you're living in an apartment, you can take it with you. Like down here, truck. See the houses. See, they got solar water over there. Got solar water, but there's plenty of places to set up a solar system on a roof or a balcony. this type of stuff. Even right here, you could pretty much set up solar panels right here. So I would suggest you start checking into some solar systems. And I know you can get them. You can get some small solar systems that'll just give you light, and that'll be plenty good. I'm even thinking about doing that to go with my bicycle, so where I could be able to set up a light, use my bicycle, go somewhere, and be off the grid, and still be able to have lighting and ways to juice up. I got rechargeable batteries and stuff like that. I can get all this all recharged using solar. But I would suggest you might check into that and look and see how it'll apply in your lifestyle, and or if you've got a getaway bug out location. See if you can figure out how to put up some type of a solar system in your bug out system, your bug out place. And that's kind of like what I'm thinking about doing. Even though I got a good place already, I'm thinking about putting I'm out in the country. I got many places I can go. So I'm thinking about putting up different places, like small shelters, temporary shelters I can just set up when I go there, and I already have the solar system already there, and it'll already be functioning and ready to go. So when I get there, I can already got some minor electrics for different things. But anyway, I thought I'd mention that to you. This is Mike, NoStressMike.com.